Monica, I'm so happy to be having a coffee with you this morning.
Thank you, Daniel.
It's my pleasure. So I'm
Nice
here.
to meet you again.
You too. And I'm here with Monica Armani, a very reputed architect and designer for over 30 years, designing very iconic products and interior design projects throughout the world. So we're very, very happy to have you here this morning, Monica.
Thank you.
Maybe tell us how you got started with B&B Italia.
25 years ago, I started my company, self-production, self-editing with my husband, and we design and propose to the market our table system Progetto Uno. Then, fortunately, B&B Italia collected, and from this point, I start design like a normal designer without the company.
Well, and tell me, how is it to be a woman in the design sector? Is it easy? Is it neutral? Is it more difficult?
I think this field, I feel it is much more masculine. The design field, the architecture too. There are many women anyway, but I never felt bad for that. Probably for my culture, for my competence, I never had problem to connect with the men and to be accepted also. Also, I work with my husband. I'm used to take care of the other side. And then in the creative process, the feminine part can give a big value, I think, in the project.
So tell me, Monica, what are you working on now with B&B Italia? What will you be launching in the next months?
I designed for the last 2 years the Flero e Alluro collection.
Beautiful, by the way. I have some in my home.
Perfect. And it was inspired by the shape and the allure of the 60s. So I proposed this to B&B and they loved the idea. And from the dream arrived to in reality. Now I'm concentrated to design, and it will be presented to the Salone, to a new chair. This chair will have the same shape of the first collection, but in a different way.
And there's a special reason why you call Alluro and Flero. Can you tell us about why the O at the end?
Because I love the 60s. So Jackie, the woman that interpreted the 60s for me. And so I remember she have got beautiful glasses with this shape. This curve ran one after the other to create this beautiful shape. From this idea, I create, and this storytelling, because it is always important to connect a vision, a dream at the end with the product, but also the story, because helps the product to be more understood from the
And I think it's a wonderful
public.
story, and the table we have here in front of us resembles the eyewear of Jackie Onassis. So I think it's a very fitting story and inspiration.
Exactly. So the O is for her.
Okay. Tell me, how do you integrate sustainability? Integrate sustainability, use sustainability. What does sustainability, eco-design mean for you?
The important thing for me is that in the last few years we can have much more opportunity of new material, also composed. So the designer can work a lot on this. But what I feel is that the best, if a product I've got a long life, so become lasting, it is the first sustainability.
I agree. I think that's a very good point, and I believe that, in all our brands at B&B Italia and all the brands of the Design Holding Group, sustainability and eco-design are so important to us. And the first thing that I think the first part of it is that with our talented architects and designers like you, Monica, we design products that last for a lifetime.
Yeah.
So the durability of the product is
Yeah.
so important. And then obviously we've been able to introduce materials that are sustainable in the design. And I see that's an issue that's very close to our design community and yourself as well.
Yeah.
Would you have any advice for young designers?
If you see the most famous designer have got a certain age, not so young, because you need to do this work, you need a lot of competence, you have to study a lot, to see a lot of factory, to understand how the thing is done. A lot of curiosity and strength.
Strength and experience, as you
And
say,
experience,
living through
sure.
different moments.
Sure.
Well, very good.
For sure, my work, we can say it is magic and logic, because always we need many ingredients to create a nice product. So we need all the competence, the technical competence, but then we need the magic touch, and it's mine.
Very good. Magic and
logic.
and a little bit of logic.
Exactly.
Very good. Well, Monica, thank you so much for sharing some of your insights, your background, your inspirations with us this morning at our
Grazie.
coffee. And I look personally forward to acquiring more of your products when they're launched in the next months. So thank you very much.
Thank you.